Savers. We're about to head to Walmart. Got a couple of freebies we're going to be getting today. Mostly Swagbucks offers, a couple Shopkicks, and maybe one or two IBOTTAs. So let's head on to Walmart. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already done so.
Still is back in the IBOTTA gallery. It's different. It was $2. Now it's $1.50 back, but still good deal considering that detergent is pretty pricey. This Persil Pro Clean is $4.94. I have a $2 off coupon, bringing this down to $2.94. And then we're going to submit to the IBOTTA for $1.50. Making these just $1.44 each, and there's a limit of 3 on IBOTTA, so I'm going to pick up 3 bottles, use 3 coupons, and get back $1.50 times 3. Alright guys, so these Zantags 360s are $4.94. Now you may have a coupon, but you may not, but my husband, he got me this coupon at the doctor's office, so these are $4 off any Zantag product, making these just 94 cents per box. Alright, not a freebie, but a pretty good deal on some coffee, especially when it's $10 in the first place. We're going to get this vanilla latte coffee donut shop at $9.96. We're going to scan it on Shopkicks, and with the scans and kicks, that is 1,510 kicks, which is $6.04 in scans and kicks, making this $3.94 a box. So I'm picking some of these up today. My students absolutely love these Werther's Original Caramel Sugar Frees. I put these in the treasure box, and they're always saying, are you going to get more of those? So we are today, and it also is a moneymaker, so it makes it even better. These are $1.48. We're going to pick up 2 of these, submit to Swagbucks for 300 Swagbucks or $3, making these just a 2 cents moneymaker or 4 cents moneymaker together. Awesome deal. The thing we're getting is a Swagbucks deal. The Palmolive, you can either get the Oxy or the Ultra Strength. These are $2.33. You're going to pick up 3 of these. When you do that, it's going to be $6.99. You're going to submit to Swagbucks for 500 Swagbucks or $5, making all 3 of these just $1.99 altogether. I finally found these. I've been looking everywhere for these Airwick warmers. So we have that free coupon that we got last week, and someone said we got a Glade one this week for a free Glade warmer, so excited about that. So I'm going to have to pick up these Airwick warmers at $1.47. we have a free coupon, so freebie $1.47, $0. I'm really excited about these Snuggle dryer sheets because I hear people get this all the time and I just don't ever see this coupon. I finally got it for $1.50 off any one Snuggle product. So these are $1.84. I take that $1.50 off, making these just 34 cents per box, and I have 4 coupons. I'm going to pick up 4 boxes at 34 cents each. What I'm going to get is this Sparkle Terra Square. These are $3.97. This is actually an awesome money maker on Swagbucks this week. So you'll buy 2 of these at $7.94. You'll submit to Swagbucks for 1,000 Swagbucks or $10. And this is going to give you back in rebates $2.06. Excuse me, it'll give you back in rebates $10. And that will be a $2.06 moneymaker. Amazing.
Another store that I hit up today was Publix. If you have Publix in your area, you have to get these Tenna pads. So there's an amazing moneymaker for these going on right now. You'll actually make $2.17 per bag of pads. The pads are $5.83. They take $2 off at the register, making these $3.83. And then you use a $2 off coupon in the circular at the front of the Publix store, and then also a $4 coupon that we got in last week's paper. So that's $8 worth of deals.
Got an easy deal on this Live Clean Fresh Water Hydrating Hand Soap. So no coupons needed for this deal. What you're going to do is pick up 2 of these. Both of them together is going to be $3.99 or $2 each. You're going to submit to IBOTTA for $1.50 back on each. So it's going to be $4 for both, $1.50 back on Ibotta, $1.50 back on Ibotta, $3 back on Ibotta when you buy 2, making these just 50 cents each. There's a limit of 5 on these, so if you have it, pick up all 5 and have 5 bottles of hand soap for just 50 cents each. Incredible deal on the Blue Diamond Almond creamer. These are 2 for $5, and there is a $2 coming back on Ibotta. So you'll buy one of these at $2.50, submit your receipt to Ibotta, get back $2. And you can do this deal up to 5 times. So 50 cents for each container of creamer. So I'm picking up 5 containers today at 50 cents each, and only spending $2.50 for all. Great deal on this soft scrub cleanser. These are $3.29 and they are on sale with a buy one get one free. So you're going to pick up 2 of these for $3.29 together. You are then going to use this $1 off coupon for each one. So you'll use a $1 off coupon for that one and then another $1 off coupon for that one, making this just $1.29 together or 65 cents each. You can also pick up this soft scrub toilet bowl cleaners. These are $3.29. You're gonna pick up 2 of them because they're on sale for buy one get one free. So paying $3.29 for both, and then you'll use 2 of these $1 off coupons. So a $1 off and a $2 off. $2 off this $3.29 makes it $1.29, and then if you divide that by 2, it's 65 cents for both packs. Got an awesome moneymaker on these Go-Gurts. These are buy one get one free. So you're gonna get pick both of these up for $2.69, and then you're gonna use a $1.50 coupon on the app. So this $1.50 coupon is on when you buy 2, and then you're gonna submit to IBOTTA for 2 IBOTTA rebates, 75 cents each, so $1.50 back. So that's $3 off on that, making this just 33-cent moneymaker.